Hi, Norma. Just writing because I see a tiny bit of plagiarism here. I check it by clicking on your percentage, your originality report percentage, which brings me to this report here. And then I'm looking at the flagged passages, and I don't worry if they're in quotation marks. That's completely fine because that means you've given credit to the author. So that's okay. Here, oh wait, that's okay. All right, so it's right here from here to here. Reminder that plagiarism is most strictly defined as 3 words in a row, the same as your original. So this is about, 12 words. So this needs to be paraphrased or put in quotation marks. And then the last sentence too. So a good way to think about paraphrasing to avoid plagiarism is not just finding synonyms, but also restructuring your sentence. So here the sentence begins, so that means find a new subject for your sentence and rewrite it with a new subject. So here the subject of your sentence is the government. So the government must make changes to how our society and economy are organized and how we live. The government. Let's see, how can you get a new... That's tricky. I can't think of a different subject for that. Let me think. Unless we go with society. You could go with so you could say our society will only be saved from biodiversity loss if the government steps in. That's how you do it. So maybe use society as a subject of that sentence. Please rework those few passages and resubmit as soon as possible.